pissed, ways, angry, and proving them all that I get a Superman anymore. No, they don't be Black Cat now. Because reason, it looks like all my wood fears are now coming to pass. So in February in 2023, so people like Black Cat get caught by the dog red Spiderman X-Men crossover. Me by the dog red people may now start a couple! And make it worse, people are Black Cat now down couple keep going forward. And that means my dream people may get married again, and become a couple again. Yeah, that's gone now. Meaning all my wood fears are coming to pass. Thanks, Marvel, you fucking assholes! Ugh! I should know it can happen! I should swear to my dog will go through this shit! So I'll try all wrong. Great, Marvel, cause all the fucking racist assholes! Ugh! I didn't want this! What the fuck? So probably why I'm pissed off and angry about this. I'm pissed off and angry about this for 2 reasons. 1, I know people made the animated couple. Sue me. 2, I want them to have the dog people made live in made more universe. Because I was hinted at the end of the expensive one. The expensive one hinted at future. But then that future got forced to win everything. Fuck it, we're gonna put people on life again because bullshit reasons. And it looks like all my women have come to pass and now people are gone again. And it looks like we're back to square one. Again. Great, Marvel, because we're the fucking assholes. Ugh. I didn't want this, I didn't want shit at all. Why? Why do you have any? Why? Let's go quick fast, I got me a touch, but actually I'm really not happy. Why? The pair I found people back at get cool upon dog white Spiderman X from Cardboard, and it looks like getting out, and Black and now it's now the new beloved of people again. Hello? Now, it's just to put on anybody, why did you drop the book? I would drop the book, but honestly, I left Spider-Man. I'm too heavily investigating to not give up, but honestly at this point, maybe I have to take my advice and just take a break. But getting away after going with pure, I'm just damn sure to see how it happened. But, oh boy, look at all my wood fear now kind of passed. Look at Spidey now fucked, and look at all my wood fear and is gone forever. Thanks, Marvel, you fucking asshole, you just, like, why? Why is happening? Why? What the fuck? Why is it so hard to get people in the couple? Why? It's so not that hard. You can tell I'm picturing about this. So this should be fun. Again, what's a minute? Well, you'll find out. So you want my stupid awful news. Yep. So everyone, I didn't even my last rant for Spidey until Dog. Okay, Dog I'm coming. I'm not coming over because I'm done with biddly Benway cat and bullshit. But now you get damn a second bit of rating. This should be fun. Again, what's a really fun? Do my stupid news. Yep. See ya. Alright, How you can tell my interest, you tell not hype about this news. Why? You'll find out. Let's get started. According to the article I have in News Online, I go, Peter Black and crossbone dog with Spider-Man X-Men crossover. Yep. You people will not survive the event that made Spider-Man and X-Men crossover. The dog but you'll come out with an on the offering Roman Black Cat and unbesieged. Yep. So yeah, you want people to be a couple? Too bad! Not a fourth and whenever they're bullshit, fuck you, and you'll be my Black Cat be a couple again. Why? Who want this shit? This is a terrible idea, what the fuck? I didn't want this shit! Fuck me! Ugh! Why is it so hard to get people and a couple? A married couple, why? It's not that hard, what the fuck? Ah! Yeah, you can tell I'm not happy with this. Hi, Chewie. Yeah, there you go. Anymore. According to after public for dog whip for now, I messed up word. The double star concluding the band P and Felicia going will heat up and go to the next level and a 2-point guest made by my band member Joe Kelly. Yep. Dog whip for now, John White after the demolition in New York City and Limbo. Karen playing against Colombo will help create only in the hell. City more violent will go to a change further. You ever see about that? I call bullshit on that. When I heard that line before, it's all crap. And I don't believe it a second. Newsflash, Marvel, your event means nothing. No change, it means nothing. This event means jack and shit. And this is gonna prove my point. I hate events. They mean nothing. Actually, anymore. That day for the cover show was just done for later. Yep. The cover ended up doing color. Walter get ready for the in Season 6. We meet the Monterey correspondent Superman 1976. Who cares? I'm a shit. Look at the words of the point where I get particularly angry about. February Amazing 19 and Amazing 19 by Kelly. If we take a weekend trip to a scooter up to New York Spa, so they're going to miss a couple times. But this is Spider-Man talking about, so I won't be all super rough and Hearthstone Messiah. Covers it two superhero in the do. Yep. And that's the organization. But anyway, people are back on there, a couple now, million out, and I will fuck. Me, saying that I want, we're back and saying that we know before. Bullshit! Fuck me! Why am all people being in a couple? Why? I don't get that wanted. What the fuck? Ah! Not fair. I don't want this shit. I don't want it. What the hell? Julie, I need your love. Yeah. Yeah, I'm with you, Julie. Yeah. You can tell me how I'm doing anything with it, yep. Yeah, not the all gonna show. But people made it, they're dead, they're gone, and now that the people Black cat me a couple again. Be the reasons. Fuck you. We're so fucked. Yep. Yeah, that's not what it's so. My bottle. As you run, all people made it after the cover. I love his kid, and I let him be anything parents to the dog media program. I will only maintain this by middle cover because this is what my idea will for a long decade. You know, it's never saw crap. And as you can tell from my England lady, I'm so pissed off and angry that we lost this couple for garbage for this shit. Like, what the fuck, Marvel? Why do you hate people making it go so bad again when showing up a crap? Well, I know what you're doing this shit because you have a drama. Well, guess what, Marvel? Two can play that game and fucking your drama is bullshit and stuff fucking saying it's all freaking garbage. This is why I can't stand main Asia and drove me crazy. Now, that's not my main, okay, not even my main problem, but now my ASM is boring. But having a tough thing. And Dark Red was all my fears I came from the past. Great! Fucking wonderful. So bring Dark Red to do what I do, the demonic twitching, with the sins of sin and evil without good damn shit. And then when I now gonna be the leader of the demonic army. Oh great! Wonderful. Another hero turning the villain. Whoopie fucking cool, Marvel. That's not a little concept. Not! Like, fuck me. This eventually garbage, but I don't get it. Tell me this sounds horrible and over. And proving more and more why I hate Marvel events. My events mean nothing! And this means nothing! And they say the little murder that became in New York City and Marvel Boy Little Shit forever? Yeah, we're still with that. I call bullshit. Because all this sound to me my Inferno bullshit. And we did Inferno. Twice in back. The first Inferno was in the 90s, which was not a great word. Then we got a sequel Inferno, which is the Hickman book. But here's the thing, I don't like the Hickman Inferno book. My main problem with the ending, and then, well, we know what happened. Molly went to shit, and then she turned a robot. It was stupid. Don't ask. I don't want to say it, but my god, it's so stupid. And this is my review kind of bad. But as you can tell with my intro, my main issue is Spiderman Black cat. Because I said first thing in the day I died. This romance doesn't feel and force. I said forget that Black cat didn't get into and this thing we want this woman doesn't feel it's just so stupid. Like, do I hate people Spiderman Black as a couple? No. But see, I know I used to bring a problem. This couple has been done to death and fucking it goes nowhere. It means nothing. It's so stupid. But I'm trying crazy. And frankly, I'm just so tired of this bullshit. I just can't do it anymore. And frankly, I didn't want to do this shit to Black forever. I didn't want this shit. And frankly, this way did not feel earned. It feels forced. And I just stupid. I don't want this. I never want to free to win this shit. Now, look, good thing. I get you're a Black Cat fan. You're probably happy with this. Fine. I'm glad you're happy with this. But me personally, I'm not. Because this wish just came out of nowhere for BS reason. Because fuck it. We ran out of ideas. So it's full people back in the couple. Because fuck it. We ran out of ideas. Even though you had it always said to want to for people amazing. Like, here's what I don't get. How can you even have the fourth they can have their kid boy and fucking so exist? We have the superstar. Okay, we have a superstar. But then that's Benny's bullshit and the deal crap. Rest of a crap, but even at a point, Superman Batman, they got their kid, John and Damon when they have kids. But Spidey had to we didn't know kid, but Superman don't feel with John Super, I love the cable or the boy. It's driving crazy that Spidey cannot get married to be which that made no sense to me. Why the fuck can any kid move forward but not Spidey? That made no sense to me, it's driving crazy. No, you probably won't so pissed off with it. I'm pissed off because frankly I miss pure amazing, yeah, but I pure because I don't know. And frankly, Zebra Run, it just drives me crazy. I just can't do it anymore. I just feel like I'm doing insane, drive me nuts. Now, do you want my dog will do anything? No! Dog will be giant shit for all I do. I don't get that shit. Fuck that, man. I made me cry anyway, so fuck it. But it's been a lot of evil now. And I hate being a villain. Because, fuck you. Fuck you, be a little bit. I enjoy being a villain again. Because reasons. Yeah, fuck that. Spiderman Black Cat, I'm done. If they don't give it to people again, then fuck you. I quit. I can't do it. I do it. They're crazy. Like, I'm just tired. I'm tired of people like a complete loser. I'm tired of people like a complete idiot. I'm tired of people like stop being a complete child. The people that I knew were an adult. Having been this complete idiot, complete loser, it just broke me. I can't do it anymore. I reached my breaking point of insanity, and frankly, I'm just done with this shit. I can't do it anymore. I'm just breaking point. I'm tired of being miserable. I'm tired of being sad. I'm just tired of this shit. I am done. Why can't I just be together and move forward? This issue on improvement people like this one worked. Shocking, now I do a good story. I don't know what the issue now, I don't remember because Beyond was just so bad. But the issue already was something or nothing, it gave me hope. But then that got thrown out the window because reasons. That's why I made more Spider-Man. If I made more Spider-Man today, Spider-Man is a joke, it's a mess, I'm tired of this shit. Fuck this shit, fuck this bullshit, fuck this book. Now you're probably like, if you hate this book so much, why the fuck is it read it? I'm only reading it because I'm a Spidey fan, but at this point, if we keep going down this stupid route, I reach my breaking points. At this point, I'm just done with this shit. I can't do it anymore. I can't do it, man. I'm just done with this shit. At this point, the only thing we're Spider-Man now are, well, the movies. Okay, movies are 50-50, and that's about it. Because Spider-Man, that show dead at this point, never coming back. Open was garbage. The other Morris Brothers show was crap, and I don't think the new one's gonna be good. Okay, this new one has a 50-50 coin down now, and so maybe that could be good, maybe bad. Which that turns out doesn't have a 50-50 coin there, but as far as the new show concerned, if you're buying with the comics, buy Marvel. If you won't give me what I want, then fuck you, I quit. You won. I lost. I can't do anymore. The only thing I'm gonna read now from Marvel are, well, maybe X-Men, maybe the X-Men, that's another camera in itself, that's another day. You go, oh, well, X-Men, shit show itself. But after Spidey, they destroyed this character. They don't know what the fuck to do with it anymore. They blew the character to garbage. At this point, I'm done with this shit. Bye, everyone. With all. It's not me, I read the story that my Joe Carey's a good writer, so anyone check out this book is him. That's the one thing I'm mad. But finally, if I know where he's going, this is getting stupid, and I'm fucking not done with this shit. If they won't give me what people are getting back together, then fine. Fuck you, I quit. You won, I lost. I'm done with this shit. Now I know, but damn it, people like people like God. I hate little people. See how the face. If you hate people like that, a couple. Great. What about you guys? I'm glad people like that, a couple. Me personally, I don't care about this cover. This cover does not feel like big boys. That is me. Look, I'm not trying to win someone played. I want people to enjoy this book. I want people to like this book. If you like this book, it's fantastic. More power to you guys. Me personally, I can't do it anymore. I just don't listen. The one thing I'm gonna read now that Spidey, the 6 month tons of nausea would drop by anybody at that dog web. After that, I'm done with this shit. No one is there. He's a good guy. I met someone at New York Comic. He's a great guy. I do like the guy to prison. But, man, I Spider-Man is really pretty. But, wait, all. I think that's bullets. Oh, I don't know, cool. Oh, the guy want to be a great call about dog web Spider-Man call bullshit. Pre-call with the stupid news. Do you like it? Twitter. I'll watch your review on Twitter. Freedom's comment show on Twitter Thoughts. Please get the bell, kind of some story. You guys can, I'll talk it very long. Spidey. More what you done? See you on the Spidey. Spidey.